So, I'm gonna switch you guys back to the helmet. Just because I already know what kind of drivers we're gonna get into tonight, and I want video of it. God damn. I think that looks fine. There we are. We're back on the helmet. Anyway, we're back on the bike. Helmet POV. After my shenanigans over there. Damn, I was... just rolled over 22K on the CBR. Crazy, man. That's crazy. What the hell was that? Anybody hear that? There be light. Thing, put the visor down. So that's what we're going to be doing today as well. Topping up the visor every 15-20 minutes because I can't fucking see what the fuck I'm doing. the fuck was that, yo? I got a question. Why is it so hot down here? Oh no! Oh no! I gotta get to the house. I gotta get home, dude. Story of what happens when you change your oil. I forgot to put the fucking oil cap back on. God damn it. So that's my soaking leg full of oil. I'm dripping. I'm drippy. I'm finally drippy. Okay, yeah, that's the problem. And look, no oil cap on that motherfucker. That's awesome. I love that. I love that for me. I love that for me. I heard that's actually optional. Fucking cool, dude. I gotta get to the fucking house, bro. Oh, I put oil in the bike and the fucking cat. Oh, it's right there. Oh my. I had it idling over here for a while doing the oil and stuff, and it was just sitting there idling. And if I didn't tighten it all the way, it fucking spun out while I was sitting there. And don't check things after you just do maintenance and stuff like that. And I mean, it's fucking covered, dude. Whole back wheel. I got brake cleaner. We're gonna start cleaning. I love it. Mix the oil with the water. Hose her down with fucking brake cleaner and pray. Alright. Oh shit. Did pretty good. I know it's hard to see, but it's working out. Put some more oil back in it. Learning shit. So what did we learn today? Double check everything after maintenance on the motorcycle before you go ride, I guess. Today's life lesson. I'm shooting this video the following night. Basically what happened is I did some maintenance on the bike. I did the chain, oil, all kinds of stuff. And I don't know, I don't know if I put it on. the plug, because I feel like when I was doing it, it fell and I forgot about it. But then another part of me says I had it in there, but the bike was idling, you know, doing all the oil and whatnot, and it just rattled loose and fell off, and I didn't notice it, and then I left, and it was laying over here in the same spot I was doing everything. Bike looks fine now, it's all clean. It honestly wasn't that much oil. I think I put like a half a quart back in it, and it's like full now. So I mean, a half quart on your leg shoe still wasn't fun. But it's Friday night. It's the weather in Florida is just, I just can't explain it.